the front. The front?
Sí, pero todo tiene que andar con la...
All the metal.
vidrio.
Yeah. So we got to pull out the measure. Okay. And what about the motor? The big motor? This one is for...
This one? Yes. And it goes down like that, from on top.
Yeah. So this one is the one for you for
Yeah.
that one?
Because we're in an accident, so we gotta replace it. We have to adjust it, measure it, and put the new parts on.
Also you fix the motor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's a good job, man. I know.
Yeah.
How many times do we get a day?
Oh, it takes a while, maybe every 2 days.
Every 2 days. So sometimes we go.
Just pick up, we gotta get around here, put it down, sand it, and then paint it.
Like how big I did.
So it takes a while.
It's well. So every time I need 2 days.
Yeah, about 2 days.
Come out of home.
Yeah, it's a big job, 3 days, 4 days.
Yeah.
But it depends on the job.
But you like it.
Yeah.
Make money.
Yeah.
How many work at 3 clients or?
Yeah, 3 weeks.
Are you still related to that, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't talk more because
And then, I know how you for customer or someone to come.
just sometimes we get the bus, but usually it's, snow.
So like this one for customer or
For sale.
for sale?
That one.
Yeah. Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah.
So like this you then after finish and buy, make
Yeah, we just gotta finish it and look for a customer.
it take long to buy.
Sometimes.
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 It
You gotta find the
depends
right customer.
to expect the customer come
Yeah.
look the car.
Yeah, we gotta, sometimes we put them on the internet. We close up the
Oh, for the internet.
Yeah.
You go and come and see what's
Yeah.
going on.
And we got a lot of people that we know for years, like customers that we know for years.
Yeah.
And they just buy with us.
Yeah.
Whenever they need a car, they come here with their inventory.
So that's all someone has bought for the green.
Yeah. We got a whole bunch of random cars.
Yeah.
All those cars.
Some others bought for that one.
Yeah.
So this one is again like asphalt.
Yeah. Buy them from the insurance.
So that's very good. I guess I need I talk to many people sometimes when try to get a customer.
Yeah.
Then I go to YouTube.
Put it on
do that.
YouTube?
Yeah.
You got a channel?
Yeah, the channel. So you can go talk right there and tell customer your number right here.
Right there?
Yeah, come close a little bit. Right there is good. Tell customer.
I'm Brian from RM Auto Sales. If you ever need a car, you can call us at 205-685-1369.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You got a lot of followers on the channel?
Yeah, I got a lot. I go like this. I don't really need a new one, but I got a lot of this.
Yeah, you gotta start buying.
Exactly. That's it. That's good, bro. Gĩa kibici ciothe ũguo igua mũthuri ũcio akĩaria nĩ cia gũthondekwo na no mathondeka na makendia. Ndaiga njokere hanini mbere ya ngari ĩno tondũ customer matinahota kuona, na nĩgetha wone ciũrĩria ngũmoragia na wĩra ũrĩa marakĩruta. Nĩ marutaga wĩra mwega na arata aitũ mathondekagĩra Kenya mũno ngari, na ndirĩ ndahota kũmenya nĩ mathondekaga kibikibi hĩndĩ ndakorera ũguo mena mũthondeki wa kibikibi, na nĩkĩo ndoka kwaria nao. Hĩndĩ ĩrĩa tũkwaragia kabere nĩ twathiũrũrũka ngari ĩno, no ndũnahota kuona na gũkũ mbere ũrĩa ĩhana kana ũrĩa wĩra ũrĩa ĩrarutĩrwo. Chain iria ciothe ci harĩa nĩ cia kũgucia ngari ĩno nĩgetha macini-inĩ ĩyo hau ĩrĩ igũrũ ĩrũngagwo na moko ta gwitũ Kenya. Ũguo nĩ kuga ngari ĩno ĩhiana ũguo, na ũgĩũka mũthenya wa rũciũ kana oke nĩ ũgakora ngari ĩno ĩ ndĩku na nĩ ũkamĩenda tondũ ĩgakorwo ĩ mũtoka wa bata. Ũguo nĩguo ĩhiaine, ĩrabatara kũrũngwo thĩna ũru wa injini na nĩ ĩgũgĩcoka bara. Gĩai na wĩroreri mwega, ũngĩkĩgĩa kĩũria mũndũ ũcio nĩ akũhe namba ciake na no ũkĩmwarĩrie, na no ũkuona cia Njũng'wa Television irĩ oho, no ũgĩte o mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩenda angĩkorwo wĩ Mũkenya witũ, na no ũgĩkorwo na thĩna wa gũthondekerwo mũtoka kana ĩrũngĩtwo kũgonyoka handũ kana ĩgĩte na gathĩna ga kũrũngwo, rĩu no ũkĩnjarĩrie na namba icio. Mũgĩe na wĩroreri mwega. Thank you.